Are you ready to give your Google site a professional touch? One of the simplest yet most effective ways to do that is by adding a favicon, that tiny icon that appears on your browser tab next to your site's title. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so your site stands out instantly. First, open your Google site and head over to the settings icon. Once there, scroll down and select Brand Images. This is where all your site branding options live. Under the Favicon section, you'll see the option to either upload a file from your computer or select an image from your Google Drive. Choose the image that represents your site best. It could be your logo or any recognizable symbol. After selecting your image, click Close to save your choice. But don't stop there. To make your new favicon visible on browser tabs, remember to hit Publish. And that's it. Your Google site now has a professional favicon, making it instantly recognizable and more memorable to your visitors. Adding a favicon is a small detail, but it makes a big difference in how your site is perceived. Try it out today and see the instant upgrade.